This is Joey here with Best Trailers. We're located in Byron, Georgia. Here we have a 7x16 concession trailer. This one's got the sinks in it, the electrical, AC, finished interior, and a 4-foot hood. Just gonna walk around it here and show you. We have a 3x6 window on the outside with a flip-up serving shelf. One exterior receptacle. This has got the thick .080 polycore sides, so you got a real smooth look on the outside, as well as some exterior lights. Plug in up front for your electrical package and a generator platform on the front. You also have an access panel to where you can get to your sinks, plumbing, electrical, all right here, and a little bit of storage as well. Propane cage on the back. Propane cage is big enough to hold a 100-pound propane tank. We did a 4-foot hood in this one, located about a foot off the wall, so if you plan on doing your fire suppression, that's a good spot for your tank. It's all aluminum walls and ceiling on the inside. Rubber coin floor. You got multiple LED lights in the ceiling, as well as an AC unit with heat installed. Several receptacles, some on each wall here. Sink package is a 3-compartment sink plus a hand wash sink. The tanks will be a 25-gallon freshwater tank and a 35-gallon wastewater tank. There's a 6-gallon water heater. You got a shelf above the sink for some extra storage. More receptacles, the hood switch, turn your hood on. And again, that's a 4-foot hood with a light. And this is a 7x16 enclosed concession trailer. And don't forget to like and subscribe for regular content uploaded weekly.